Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add or create a table on the Word document. To organize your document like a pro, first of all simply open your Word document where you want to add your table of content. Simply I will open my Word first of all. After opening your Word, simply choose the Word file where you want to add your table of content. Now place your cursor where you want the table of content. Suppose I want here table of content. As you can see, I have my document. I don't have table of content. To put the table of content, first of all put the cursor where you want the table of content. Then simply go to the reference tab over here. As you can see, this is the reference tab. Here you will see the option called table of content and simply click on the drop down menu arrow. Then simply click on insert table of contents. As you can see, my table of content has been made and you can simply put this in one page and you can change your document. You can put this at another page and that's it. Your table of content is made. If you like this video, simply hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.